Text TRY to 858585 to learn even more.
So the problem it addresses is collecting a lead, especially on social media specifically, because on a lot of social media websites, there might not be a way to put your contact information or your website on there. And I don't really want people directly calling me if I put my phone number in the comment section. I really just want them to go to the website. One thing that I've noticed is a lot of my competitors tell people, hey, go to my Instagram and DM me, or go to this page and DM me. I cut through all of that by just dropping that easy texting number, saying text APT deals to 281-744-566. And boom, it really just sends them a quick little text like, hey, thanks for connecting with me. If you fill out this quick form, we can send you all the best apartment deals in the next couple of hours. And it literally just connects them to our website. Just the ability to have a textable number, have a keyword code, I think that's a fantastic thing. The fact that I don't have to give out my personal number to people online in the comment section, that's fantastic. I did, but there was nothing that could compare to easy texting for the price and for the service that was offered.
See what everyone's talking about and try it free today at easytexting.com/start.